Welcome to the session number 5 of Word Power Made Easy. We will continue with our discussion. We already discussed about the internist. So internist means a person who will let you know what is inside in you. So internist, the internist derived from the Latin words, that is internus. So from internust we made internist. Internist means a doctor who is specialized to tell you what is going inside in your body. Female is known as a gyne. Gyne means women and gynecologist means a doctor of female. Obstetrician, OBSTETRICIAN, trician means expert. Obstetricians derived from the Latin language obstetrics. Obstetrics means midwife. In Hindi we call Dayan. Means a lady who is coming at the time of a delivery of the infant and giving help to the women. So obstetrician, ICIAN, obstetrician, Isian means expert. For example, physician, musician who is expert in music, magician who is expert in magic, electrician who is expert in electrics. So obstetrics and obstetrical, these are the two extra words that we can derive from the same word. Children doctor, pediatrician, pedios, it's a Greek language. Pedios means child and Isian means expert. So pediatrician, pedia means child and trician means expert. So pediatrics means our children doctor. In Latin language, pedis means foot. So from pad we can say pedestal. Pedestal means foot part. Pad means pedal. Pedagogy means principles of teaching or teaching method. Pedios means child and egos means learning. So pedagogy means teaching method to teach children and pedagogical. Next, demagogue. Dema means democracy and agog means leader, one who mislead the people. So leader, but in a negative word we can say AGOUGE, agog means a leader but in a negative sense. Skin deep, dermatology. So derma, the word derma comes from the Greek word derma, means skin. So anything related to derma is related to skin. So hydrodermis, now we know dermis means something related to skin and hydro means under. So anything which is related to know about what is inside the skin, then we can say hydrodermis. Hydrodermis means under the skin. Epi means outer and dermis means skin. So epidermis means outer the skin. Taxidermis, taxi means stuffing the skin of animals. You know, in the old movies, you can say the tiger is there inside in the home, but not a tiger who is alive, but a tiger which is stuffed some material in it and then you see the mouth of a tiger. So that is known as taxidermis. Taxidermis means stuffing the skin of animals, but he is not a doctor. He is an expert in stuffing the animals. Patchy means thick. So pachyderms means animal with unusual thick skin like elephant and hippopotamus. If you look at the skin of an animal, it is very, very thick. So that kind of animal is known as pachyderms. And you can use the person who is very insensitive. So you may say he is pachyderm. The eye have it, ophthalmologist. Opthal comes from the Greek word means eye. So opthal means eye and logos means science or study. Someone who is studying the eye is known as an ophthalmologist. An oculist is a Latin language. Oculus means eye. So optho, it comes from the Greek, and oculist is comes from the Latin. Both are related to eye. Let's say this is a prefix, root or suffix. Internus, the meaning of internus is inside. So we have internist. Gyne means women. So we can make a word gynecologist. Obstetrics means midwife, Dian. So obstetrician, one who is helping the lady in delivering the infant. Pedos means child. So pediatrist. Pedis means food. So pedestal means walking path, pedestal. Agog means leader, but in a negative sense. So demagogue. So if you don't like somebody but who is in a political arena, so you can say he is a demagogue. A demagogue is a person who is fomenting the sensitivity of the people and try to get a benefit out of it. Demo means demography. So demos means people. So you can say demography. Derma means skin. We already discussed, and so there is a dermatologist. Hypo means something inside, under. So hypodermist. Ophthalmos, it's a Greek word. So it is related to eye. So ophthalmologist. Oculus is also eye, but it is a Latin word. So oculist. Monos means ones. So monocle means one eye, related to one eye. Bi means two. So there is a binocular. Isian means expert. So optician, musician, magician. So Cian means expert. Opris or opticas means vision or sight. So ophthalmologist. Metron means to measure something. So optometrist is a person who is telling you what is the number of your eyes, what type of glasses you need, what is the number of your glasses. So that person is known as optometrist. Now here is a word and here is a pronoun. So I am speaking the pronoun and you have to speak along with me. Intern, gynecology, gynecological, obstetrics, obstetrical, pediatric, pediological, pedagogue, demagogue, demagoguery and demagogic. Again, dermatology, dermatological, hypodermic, epidermic, taxidermist, taxidermy, pachyderm, ophthalmology, ophthalmological, oculist, ocular, monocle, binocular, inoculate. Now what is the meaning of inoculate? Inoculate means making a small puncture in the eyes and injecting a syringe, injecting some serum into it. Then you can say inoculate. Optometrist, metrist means to measure, means somebody who is measuring the number of your eyes and suggesting some glasses. Optometry, optometric, optometrical, optician, optics and optical. Now here is a word, here is an expert and here is the area. So gynecologist, we know gyne means woman. So somebody who is expert in woman disease or ailment of the woman, then we can say he is a gynecologist. So specialty in dealing with the woman's disease. Obstetrist means somebody who is helping the women when she is delivering a child. So obstetrist means specialty in dealing with the delivery of the newborn of infant. Pediatrist, pedia means children. So somebody who is expert in the disease of the children. So specialty in dealing with the treatment of the children. Pedagogy means principles of teaching. Demagoguery means stirring up the discontent among the masses. Dermatologist means treatment of skin disease. And taxidermy means somebody who is stuffing the skin animals. Now, here you have to say yes or no. Does a treatise of obstetrics deals with the childbirth? Obstetrics, of course, it is dealing with the childbirth. Does the gynecology deal with the female reproductive organ? Yes. Is pediatrics concerned with the disease of old age? No. Pedia means child. Pedagogy refers to teaching? Yes. Pedagogue is an expert teacher? Yes. Demagogue interested in the welfare of the people? No. Demagogue is a person who is fomenting the discontent of the people. So he is a leader, but in a negative sense. So welfare does not come under the demagogue. A lion is a pachydum. So the skin of the lion is not thick like elephant or hippopotamus. So no. If epidermis, one of the layers of skin, epidermis means something which is outside the skin. So yes. Is dermatist an inflation of one of the limbs? Yes. The taxidermist is a medical practitioner. Taxidermist is a person who is stuffing the animal, but he is not a doctor. Ophthalmologist, a medical doctor? Yes, because ophthalmologist is an expert in eye disease. Does an optician prescribe glasses? Optometrist will prescribe the glasses, not an optician. Optician will do the surgery of the eye. So optician, no. If the optometrist, a medical doctor, optometrist is not a medical doctor, but he is expert in helping the person to know about their glass number. So he is giving a glass, he is suggesting the glass. So he is not a medical doctor. Can you recall the word specialty in childbirth? We already discussed is an obstetrist. Outer layer of the skin. Outer means epi and derma. So epidermis. Principles of teaching is pedagogy. Thick skinned animal means something which is patchy and derm. So patchy, derm. Patchy means thick and derm means skin. Skin inflation, dermatist. One who foments the political discontent is a demagogue. One who sells optical equipment, so he is known as optician. Medical graduate serving his apprentice, so he is known as intern. Treatment of the childhood disease, so pedia. Pedia means child. And tricks, so pediatrist. Practice of steering a political dissatisfaction of purely personal gain, so it is demagoguery. One who stuffed the skin animal is a taxidermist. Another title of ophthalmologist is oculist. Ophthalmologist is an eye doctor and oculist is also a eye doctor. But optha, this word optha is coming from Greek and oculist is coming from the Latin. Treatment of female ailment is gynecologist. Medical specialty relating to the disease of eye, ophthalmologist. One lens eyeglass is monocle. Pertaining to the eye is ocular. And one who measures the vision is optometrist. Metrist means measurement. Opto means eye. So optometrist. So here we are ending session number 5. Again I advise you, look at the video, understand each and every word with minute understanding, and then you download the PDF file. After downloading the PDF file, you fill up the vacant list or given boxes where you have to write the correct word. Then this is the way you are going to build up your vocabulary. So thank you very much. We will meet you again in session number 6.